What's up guys, Graphite here. A big day today. I have the iPhone 13 Pro in Graphite. Let's get straight into the unboxing. So, I have the iPhone 13 Pro in Graphite, of course. Here's a quick look around the box. Of course, the iPhone at the front. We have iPhone branding on the side, Apple logo, more iPhone branding, and then at the back here, just a bit of specs. So as you can see, iPhone 13 Pro designed by Apple in California. You know what? I'm very excited. Let's just get these tabs open. So there's one, there's two. To reduce waste, I guess Apple did remove the plastic they normally put in. But damn, the phone is right there on the top. My first iPhone actually, so oof, look at that. I do not regret buying the Graphite. The Graphite actually looks really nice. So we'll put that onto the side just for a second. In the box, of course, we get the USB-C to Lightning cable. No power brick, of course, which means the box is quite thin. And yeah, I guess this is going to be my first Lightning cable. And if they just made it USB-C, it would have been so much easier. And then also, SIM ejection tool, your Apple sticker, of course, and just some quick start guide. So, okay, I'm just going to put this all here, and we're going to look straight at the actual phone. So we've got the plastic, just peel this off. And wow, you know, this actually feels really, really nice in the hand. The matte finish also feels good. The camera bump is huge this year, as you can see, and they do protrude out quite a lot too. Just switch on the phone for the first time. There it is. There's the Apple logo. So on the bottom, of course, the speaker, the lightning port on the side. We have the mute switch. We have the 2 volume up and down. And of course, the power button. And this feels really, really nice in the hand. Of course, we got the hello. I'm going to get this set up and give you guys my quick first impressions. So, I've set up the iPhone 13 Pro, once again, in Graphite. And I'm telling you guys, this phone is extremely, extremely smooth. Apple did add their 120Hz display with, of course, the smaller notch. I don't know if you can see, but we also have the huge camera system, which I'm very excited to try out. It does protrude quite a lot from the actual phone, and it is huge. I do have a Spigeon case, of course, because I am not taking risks with this phone. Some of you may know that my S10 Plus from before did unfortunately crack twice. Yes, I know, but guys, I think this is the best phone I've ever bought. The design, how it feels in the hand, like just all the key features. It's just such a nice phone. Now make sure to subscribe to see the full review, and there's going to be a lot more videos coming up about this phone. For example, my home screen setup, some features, a camera test, battery test. There's going to be a lot coming up, so make sure you're subscribed and ready for that. So yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in a bit. Peace.